Hello, my name is Bree, and today I'm here to teach you how to do some limits problems. So we're going to start off with this one. The limit of s as it is approaching 0 of 4 over s minus 4 over s squared plus s. So our first step here is going to be rationalizing the denominator so that we can work with this problem. So we're going to keep the limit of s going to 0, and then to rationalize the left side of this, we're going to multiply the 4 over s by s squared plus s over s squared plus s times 4 over s. And then on this side, we're going to multiply by s over s. Okay. So then we can multiply this out. We get the limit of s going to 0. And then here we get s squared plus s. So we get 4 s squared plus s over s squared plus s times s. Same thing over here. We get 4s on the top, and then the same denominator here. So at this point we are rationalizing. Now we have to FOIL these out. So to get here, limit of s approaching 0, and then we have on the numerator 4s squared plus 4s, and then on the denominator we have s cubed plus s squared, and then over here we're just going to rewrite the numerator and write our new denominator from FOILing. So now we've got this. So we can put this all over one fraction by just changing this. So we're minus here, and since we're all over the same denominator, we can just make this one nice big fraction. And then when we look at it here, there's an obvious thing that we can cancel. 4s minus 4s is 0, so we can cancel that out. And then in the next step, I still need to work with this. So I'm going to factor out an s squared from both the numerator and the denominator. So the limit of s as it's approaching 0. And then, so if we factor out an s squared from the numerator, we get 4, oh wait, well, I should write it like this. Sorry. S squared, 4, and then s squared, s plus 1. We can cancel both of these. And then we're going to be left with 4. Oh, well, wait. Sorry. We're going to be left with the limit as s is approaching 0 of 4 over s plus 1. And then from here, we can apply the limit. So I'm going to just put 0 in for s. So 4 over 0 plus 1 equals 4 over 1. So that's just 4. And then that's your solution for this problem. Hello, I'm back with our second limits practice problem here. So this one is the limit of x approaching 0, and then our problem is the numerator is 1 over x plus 5 minus 1 over 5, and then the denominator is all over x. So we have to do some rationalizing in the numerator here. So we're going to rewrite the problem and try to rationalize it. So limit of x going to 0, and then to rationalize this left portion, I'm going to multiply it by 5 over 5. And then for the right portion, I'm going to multiply by x plus 5 over x plus 5. And then the entire thing is still over x. And then here, what we're going to be able to do, limit of x approaching 0, 5 over 5 x plus 5, and then minus the quantity x plus 5, and then all over x. So now here we're getting there, but we need to still do a few more things. Here we have the quantity, so we need to FOIL out this minus sign to both of these terms. So I'm going to rewrite this as the limit of x approaching 0, and then we have 5 minus x minus 5 over 5x plus 5 all over x. And then here we have something Very nice. It's that 5 minus 5 is equal to 0, so we can cancel these. And now since we have a minus x on the numerator and an x in the denominator, we're able to rationalize this as the limit of x approaching 0. And then we can actually make this minus 1. And then we can put it all over 5x plus 5. All right, so we're getting there now. And the next thing I'm going to do here, I'm going to just FOIL out this denominator, which is going to leave us with the limit of x going to 0 minus 1 over 5x plus 25. And then what I'm going to do here is I'm going to plug in the x and apply the limit. So we're going to get negative 1 over 5 times 0 is 0. So 0 plus 25. And your solution is going to be minus 1 over 25 here. And that's how you do a limits problem.